Once the browser is open, you'll want to locate the menu. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your browsing experience. Now look for and click on Delete Browsing Data. This option will take you to a new window, where you can manage what data you want to erase. In this new window, you will see various time ranges available for deletion. Here, choose Last 15 minutes. This option is perfect for quickly clearing out any recent activity without affecting your entire browsing history. Finally, once you've selected the time range, click on Delete Data. A confirmation prompt may appear, letting you know what data will be removed. After confirming, Chrome will swiftly erase all browsing history, cookies, and cached files from the last 15 minutes. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your last 15 minutes of browsing data in Google Chrome. This feature is particularly useful for those moments when you want to keep your online activities private and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Thank you for watching.